Today we have a case in which this defendant was on the run and was finally caught. Now he's facing justice in Judge West's courtroom. I want to see how she settles this case. Let's listen in and maybe you can tell me what you think about the sentence. Please subscribe if you like this content and leave me a comment in the comment section.
Mr. Williams, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of evading arrest or detention with previous convictions, and that is from August 14th of 2025. The indictment alleges you were previously convicted of evading detention June 4th of 2007. It further alleges that you were convicted of burglary of a habitation with intent to commit theft, a second-degree felony, February 1st of 2006. And after that was final, you were convicted of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, a second-degree felony, December 10th of 2009. How do you plead to that charge? And are those prior convictions true? And did you enter your plea of guilty and true, freely and voluntarily, and because you actually did what they've charged you with? I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as Exhibit Number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Lewis? Do you fully understand them?
I do.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? State Tenders Number 1. It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Williams is not competent?
No.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of evading arrest or detention with previous convictions. Find those other 2 prior offenses true. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 4 years in the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I have handed you the trial court certification that shows that this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I have also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provided you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Lewis. Good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff. No, sir.